Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hello everyone, who's ready for a riddle? Let's get thinking. How do oceans say hello to each other? 10 seconds thinking time, work it out. Alright, let's see how you went. How do oceans say hello to each other? They wave. I hope you liked that one, everyone, and I hope you are all having a fabulous week, and I can't wait to see you all again soon. Bye.
SWPBS for next week. We take turns and we invite others to play.